Good morning, students. Okay. Next topic is electrophilic substitution reaction in benzene. Benzene mainly involves in electrophilic substitution reaction, addition reaction, and oxidation reaction. Okay, we'll see such reactions. First electrophilic substitution reaction is nitration. First electrophilic substitution reaction is nitration. Okay, here nitration means substitution with NO2 group on benzene we call as nitration, or the conversion of benzene into nitrobenzene by using nitration mixture we call as nitration. Okay, here I am taking reaction. Here I am taking first benzene. This is a benzene. Here hydrogen. It is reacts with concentrate nitric acid plus concentrate sulfuric acid. Okay, concentrate sulfuric acid at 60 degrees centigrade temperature. Here 1:2 ratio. Okay, and forms here nitrobenzene plus water. Nitrobenzene plus water. Okay, this is the reaction. See, this mixture we called as nitration mixture. Okay, this is the important question for P point of view, 5 marks. Here we have 4 or 5 important reactions. All those are very important for the PU. See the mechanism for this reaction. All electrophilic substitution reactions involves in 3 steps. One is formation of an electrophile. Second one, formation of sigma complex. Okay, and removal of H plus ion. Those are the 3 important steps. Okay, in continuation, we'll see the first step, formation of an electrophile. Formation of an electrophile. Okay, this is the one important step. Here I am writing concentrate nitric acid in different format. HNO3 written like this, plus H2SO4 may be written like this, and in presence of concentrate sulfuric acid. Okay, this H and this OH lose in the form of water, plus here it forms NO2 plus. This is an electrophile, plus HSO4 minus. This is we called bisulfate ion. Bisulfate ion. Okay, see here. In nitric acid donate OH minus, so it acts as a base. Sulfuric acid donates H plus ion, so it acts as an acid. Concentrate sulfuric acid here acts as a dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent. Okay, this is the first step. Electrophile form. Then second step, formation of sigma complex. Formation of sigma complex. Second step, here formation of sigma complex. It is the second step. This is the first step. Okay, how sigma complex is formed here? We'll see. First, we take the benzene. The electrophile attacks at benzene. What is the electrophile here? NO2 plus attacks on benzene. First, these electrons are transferred towards, all are same. One of the electron transferred towards benzene. Okay, here gets negative charge, here gets positive charge. Okay, negative and positive. Okay, here see Okay, here this negative charge attack here, then what happens? See here positive charge, already hydrogen is there, here NO2, here bond, here bond. This is the one resonance structure. It involves in resonance. Resonance means delocalization of pi electrons, we call it as resonance. Resonance gives stability to the molecule. That's why it involves in resonance. These pi electron transfer towards positive charge. Here bond, here H, here NO2. This is one more resonance structure. It also involves in resonance. It also involves in resonance like this and forms one more resonance structure. Here positive charge, here H, here NO2. This is the resonance structure 3. The mixture of these 3 resonance structures we call as sigma complex. The mixture of these 3 resonance structures is simply called as sigma complex. This is the second step. Third step is removal of H plus ion. Removal of H plus ion. This is the third step, or also called as formation of stable compound. Take any one of the resonance structure, any one of the resonance structure, H, here NO2 plus here bond. For our convenience, I took here first resonance structure, HSO4 minus, HSO4 minus attack here on the hydrogen. Hydrogen donate electron towards carbon positive. So HSO4 released in the form of H2SO4. That means H plus ion attack here and forms H2SO4. Finally, we get nitrobenzene. This is the preparation of nitrobenzene. Okay, this is the one of the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, next in continuation, we'll see some more electrophilic substitution reactions. Next in continuation, we'll see the halogenation. Okay, here, what is the halogenation? We'll see here. The substitution with the halogen on benzene we call as halogenation. Here I am taking halogen means X. X is equal to, it may be chlorine, it may be bromine, or it may be iodine. We can't use here fluorine directly. Fluorine is more reactive, more electronegative, more reactive. That's why we can't prepare the fluorobenzene directly. Instead of fluorobenzene, we'll prepare here chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene directly by using this method. Okay, here first I am taking what is X. X means any atom. Okay, exclusively I am taking here only X. Here take benzene. Here take benzene. Here benzene. This one. It is reacts with halogen. X2 means halogen. Okay, chlorine, it may be bromine, or it may be iodine. Okay, in the presence of ferric high, FeX3. That means if you take here chlorine, here ferric chloride. If you take bromine, here ferric bromide. If you take here iodine, it is a ferric iodide. Okay. Then forms halobenzene. Here it forms the halobenzene. This is we call halobenzene. Along with the liberation of or releasing of HX. releasing of Hx. See here, if it is chlorine, here we get chlorobenzene. If it, that is we called chlorination. If you use here bromine, we will get here bromobenzene, and then we called as bromination. If we take here, or if we use here iodine, we will get the iodobenzene, that we called as iodination. See the mechanism for this reaction. Okay, mechanism for this reaction. Okay, it also involves in 3 steps. One is, this is also electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, it also involves in 3 steps. One is formation of an electrophile. Okay. See how electrophile is formed here. XX bond now. This is XX bond. It is reacts with ferric halide. Here ferric halide is Lewis acid. Why? It has vacant orbital. Okay, to attract the electron from other atoms. Okay, here which halogen donate electron towards. Okay, halogen donate electron towards ferric halide and forms. Okay, here it forms X plus. This is we called as halonium ion. This halonium ion is electrophile. Plus FeX4 minus. Cl. If we use chlorine here, we get Cl plus. We call as chloronium ion. Okay, if we use bromine here, we get Br plus. We call it bromonium ion. If we use iodine here, we get I plus. We call it iodonium ion. This is the first step, formation of electrophile. Second step, formation of sigma complex. Formation of sigma complex. See, same reaction as usual. Electron transferred here, we will get negative, here we will get positive. It is reacts with X plus. X plus, this electron transferred here. Okay, here plus, here H, here X, here bond, here bond. We will get resonance structure 1. Again this electron transferred here and forms one more resonance structure. Here positive charge, here H, here X. This is the resonance structure 2. Here again the electrons are transferred here. Here we get positive charge, here H, here X. This is the resonance structure 3. These are the 3 important resonance structure. The mixture of these 3 we call as sigma complex. Sigma complex. Okay, next step, removal of third step, removal of H plus ion. Okay, removal of H plus ion. Take any one of the resonance structure plus for our convenient. I took here first resonance structure H, X, FeX4 minus. This FeX4 minus attacks here. Okay, H reacts with X minus and forms HX, and we get back FeX3 catalyst. And here attack here na, then this electron transfer towards positive charge with carbon X and forms halobenzene. Just you try. Okay, preparation of chlorobenzene. You will try. Preparation of bromobenzene. Preparation of iodobenzene. This is chlorobenzene. Okay, this is bromobenzene. Okay, this is iodobenzene. You prepare, write mechanism and preparation. Mechanism and reaction of these different benzenes: chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene. Chlorobenzene, bromobenzene and iodobenzenes. Third important electrophilic substitution reaction, sulfonation. Okay, substitution on benzene with SO3H group we call as sulfonation. Substitution on benzene with SO3H group we call as sulfonation. Okay, see here how will we perform this sulfonation reaction. Here I am taking benzene, here hydrogen. In place of this hydrogen we substituted with SO3H group, then we call it sulfonation. Okay, this reacts with 2 moles of sulfuric acid at 50 degrees centigrade temperature. Nitration reaction carried out at 60 degrees centigrade temperature. This reaction carried out at 50 degrees centigrade temperature. Exactly 50 degrees centigrade temperature. And forms here SO3H along with the water. This is recorded as benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. What is the reaction here? Benzene reacts with 2 moles of sulfuric acid and forms benzene sulfonic acid at 50 degrees centigrade temperature. We call as sulfonation. This reaction we call as sulfonation. See the mechanism for this reaction. Mechanism for this reaction. Okay, it involves in 3 steps already as usual. One is formation of an electrophile. Formation of an electrophile. Okay, 2 moles of sulfuric acid. 2 moles of sulfuric acid reacts with each other and lost water and forms H2S2O7. H2S2O7 we call as oleum. H2S2O7 we call as oleum. This H2S2O7 forms sulfuric acid and by the formation of SO3. Okay, sulfuric acid and sulfur trioxide. This is we call sulfur trioxide. Here sulfur trioxide is electrophile. This is neutral electrophile. Here sulfur trioxide is one of the important one called neutral electrophile. Sulfur trioxide is neutral electrophile. Here neutral electrophile involves. What is the difference between previous two and this one? In that positive electrophile involved, here neutral electrophile was involved. Second step, formation of sigma complex. Formation of sigma complex as usual. Okay, here electron transfer here. We get negative here, we get positive here. Sulfur trioxide, structure of sulfur trioxide, this one. Okay, negative charge added here, this electron transferred here. Okay, then we get here positive charge, here hydrogen, and here SO3 minus. SO3 minus. Okay, here plus. This is the resonance structure 1. Resonance structure 1. Here electron transferred here to here. Here to here. Then what happened? See. Bond forms. Here bond forms. Here positive charge. Here hydrogen. Here SO3 minus. This is the resonance structure 2. It also involves in resonance. It also involves in resonance and forms here bond, here plus, here H, SO3 minus. This is the resonance structure 3. The mixture of these three resonance structures we called as sigma complex. The mixture of these three resonance structures we called as sigma complex. And third one, removal of H plus ion. Removal of H plus ion. Okay, take any one of the resonance structure. Okay, take our convenient. I am taking here first resonance structure HSO3 minus. Okay, here hydrogen electrons, carbon hydrogen electrons transfer towards positive charge. That means bond forms SO3 minus. Again, this is where H plus ion releases now. This H plus ion attacked here. Over here, H plus ion attacks and forms benzene sulfonic acid. And forms the benzene sulfonic acid. This is recorded as sulfonation. Okay, this is recorded as sulfonation. This is also one of the important electrophilic substitution reaction for examination point of view. Next, we will see one more reaction. Next, in continuation, we will see the one more important electrophilic substitution reaction: Friedel-Crafts alkylation or methylation. Methylation means substitute methyl group. Okay, we will see what is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation and what is the Friedel-Crafts methylation. First, I am taking reaction about this alkylation. You take the benzene. Okay, here H. It is reacts with alkyl halide. RX means alkyl halide. Alkyl halide. Okay, in presence of anhydrous aluminium trichloride. Anhydrous aluminium trichloride. Anhydrous aluminium trichloride. This X and H release in the form of HX and forms alkyl benzene. This is we called alkylation. This is we called alkylation. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Instead of alkyl group, we use methyl CH3. Okay, here I am taking specific reaction. Both are same, but one difference is there. We'll see. You take methyl chloride. This is the methyl chloride. Methyl chloride is nothing but alkyl halide. Specific one, anhydrous aluminium trichloride. Okay, it use hydrochloric acid, Cl and H, and forms methyl benzene. This is we called alkyl benzene. This is we called methyl benzene. And this is also called toluene. Okay, toluene methyl benzene. This is we called as methylation. Friedel-Crafts methylation. See, difference is only this one. Alkyl group, alkyl means alkylation. In examination point of view, they may ask alkylation or methylation. If they ask alkylation, means write that reaction. Here only write. Okay, here only for alkyl group only electrophile. Here methyl group only electrophile. That is the difference. Remaining as usual. Okay. See the mechanism for this reaction. First step, formation of an electrophile. Formation of an electrophile. What happens here? I am taking methylation and alkylation as usual. Only one difference or CH3. It is reacts with anhydrous aluminium trichloride. Anhydrous aluminium trichloride also Lewis acid. It also accepts the one electron pair. Okay, it has vacant orbital. This is called vacant orbital. It attracts the electrons from the other molecules. Accept the electron from other molecules. Okay, like this, and forms AlCl4 CH3 plus. This CH3 plus, it is called methyl carbonium ion. Methyl carbonium ion. This is an electrophile. This is an electrophile. Okay, if you take this one, we will get R plus as an electrophile. R plus as an electrophile we call alkyl carbonium ion. This is we called alkyl carbonium ion. Okay. Next, second step, formation of sigma complex. Formation of sigma complex. Okay, electrophile attacks here. Electron transfer here, we will get negative, here we will get positive. And here electrophile, what is the electrophile? CH3 plus. Okay, here attacks here. What happened? Here positive charge, here bond, here H, here CH3. This is the resonance structure 1. It involves in resonance like this. What happened? Bond, here positive charge, here H, here CH3. Resonance structure 2. It also involves in again resonance. Bond here, positive charge, here H, here CH3. This is a resonance structure 3. These mixtures we call as sigma complex. The third step, okay, here third step, removal of H plus ion. Third step, removal of H plus ion. How we'll remove the H plus ion? We'll see here. Take any one of the resonance structure. Plus. Here H, here CH3, here bond. It is reacts with AnCl4 minus. Okay, AnCl4 minus attack on this one is electron transfer towards carbon with positive charge. That means it is in the form of HCl. We will get that AnCl3 along with this. C, bond, here CH3. We get the methyl benzene. We get the here methyl benzene. This is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts methylation. Okay, some more electrophilic substitution reactions are there. Okay, in that way we have Friedel-Crafts acylation, Friedel-Crafts benzylation, and here oxidation reaction and hydrogenation reactions. We'll see in continuation such reactions. Okay, next video. Thank you.